The Legend safe is the pinnacle of the Fort Knox line, a true reflection of the exceptional reputation Fort Knox has built, combining luxurious design with unmatched security, proudly made in the USA. The thickest door in our line starts with a 1/2-inch plate, 7-gauge Armanox, 10-gauge stainless steel, 2 layers of fireboard, all encased in a 10-gauge door jacket, for a door edge thickness of 1 full inch. Fireboard, Armanox, and stainless steel continue in the body with a 3/16 outer shell for a combined steel thickness of 1/2 inch and a fire rating of up to 1680 degrees in 90 minutes. The Legend features a visible gear system, showcasing the craftsmanship and precision with every turn. Lights, corner bolts, Armanox, stainless, all standard in the Legend, along with the best warranty in the industry. Customize your Legend's exterior color, lock, fabric, and graphic. Crane hinge and jewelry cabinet are available on any Fort Knox model. So if you refuse to settle for anything less than the best, then build yours today at ftnox.com.